Welcome back in this session. So Amazon Route 53. We will try to understand the Route 53, and we will also explore the how to create the Route 53 using the Terraform. So Route 53 is a scalable and highly available domain name system service, and basically the DNS domain name services works on 53 number port. That's a TCP and UDP 53 number ports. So it's taken the 53 number from the DNS port number. Route basically gives the instruction like you have to pass through this route. So you it's make like routing from the uh, specific route. So it's Amazon created the service having the name Route 53, which are the basically DNS service, and it's highly available domain name service released on December 5th, 2010. So it's a long back services, and basically it's part of Amazon Cloud services. And let's try to understand how Route 53 works, and what is its core fundamental. So basically the whenever you open any websites, but you never open your website using the IP address. You always open your website using the host name. So DNS works here where it's convert your host name to the IP address, and this DNS having the port number 53, that is works on UDP and TCP both. Route 53 giving the same service of the DNS hosting, where you can host your domain name, where you can register your domain name. You can create your zone and DNS different kind of records. So what kind of records Route 53 is supported, that we will see here. So basically there are these four type records available. You can configure more than this one also, but these are common records which are using when you host any domain. So A records, CNAME record, alias record, and MX record. So each records having the different purpose to serve. So A records used for the mapping your host name to the IP address, where your IP address is known. So it used for there. CNAME records used for the mapping of your name, host to host mapping, where the CNAMEs could not be the different record set. So that should be the unique CNAME. Alias having the mapping again the name to name, but you can create the multiple aliases also. Mail exchange, this is the known for the mail server configuration, where you have used any server services, and you can redirect your server configuration using the MX records creation. So how Route 53 will be configured using the Terraform? So basically we will use the two resources. One is the Route 53 zone, and the second one is the Route 53 records. So you can configure all records. That's a CNAME, A record, alias, or MX record. Here we will take the example of the A records, because we will map our elastic IP to the host name. So I am hosting the easyaws.in sites. So I have taken this domain from the GoDaddy, and I want to host this in AWS Route 53 service. So I will create the zone. After creation of zone, I will create the record. So record I will create the zone ID. So I will pass the zone ID. In that zone ID I will create the name, the DNS name, and the type A records, and TTL is the time to live, will be used for the expiration of time. So this will be the 300, and I have mapping this uh, zone ID record set A to the elastic IP. So basically my host name is mapped with the elastic IP, which are elastic IPs attached to the any of your instance. So we will see the creation of all these things in a together. So creation of the Route 53 zone records and instance, where we will launch the instance, and we will map the instance using the elastic IP, and we will deploy the Apache server.